Marketing here at Perfectly Clear. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a custom preset in Workbench. Once you've saved your custom preset, if you'd like to export it, you have two options. First, you can select Export Presets, which will export the preset file to a location of your choosing. In most cases, this is the option that you'll want to use. This will allow you to share the preset file with others for testing, or use the preset file in the Web API or Docker product or the SDK. If your development team needs to make changes to individual settings or groups of settings associated with the presets, then this may be the option for you. Please refer to our FAQs for more information on this option. One last note on exporting presets. When exporting AI presets, which are any of these presets in the top AI presets section, Workbench will export all AI presets into one single file. This allows you to use the same presets that you're testing in Workbench within the SDK, Web API, or Docker solution. The exported preset file will contain many presets, one for every scene. This is different than if you choose to export any of the other presets in this bottom section here. In this case, you can choose to export the preset file that will only include the single preset or the entire custom preset group. That's it for exporting custom presets and Workbench. Thanks for watching.